Okay, today we're going to talk about 3 things you need to know about protecting your intellectual property. The type of intellectual property we're talking about today is the type that can be protected with patents. So this is technology and product related intellectual property that we're going to try to protect. And how are we going to do that? Well, obviously the best vehicle for protecting that is patents. Patents can be huge. So if you're an entrepreneur or early founder and you're launching a business and there is the opportunity to protect your intellectual property with a patent, you want to do so. Of course, it can be difficult, it can be expensive, it can take time and be a bit of a distraction. But let me promise you this, protecting your intellectual property is absolutely huge and you need to do it. What are ways that you might be able to get some protection a little bit faster and maybe at a lower cost so that you can get further along in the development of your business? That's point number 2. It's called a provisional patent. So you can start off and go for a full-blown patent, which means you're going to pay all of the legal fees and all of the filing fees associated with that patent, and you'll have your protection. Or you can say, we're not quite ready for that, but we want to get some protection in place. So you file what's called a provisional patent. What that does is it signals to the patent office that you've got a product or technology that you are going to protect with a patent, but you're not quite ready. So they give you up to a year to get ready, and as long as you file your patent within the year, the patent is valid from the date that you put in your provisional patent. The protection starts then. So it's a way of quickly getting the first step of protection in place, giving you some time to get the rest of it in place. So provisional patents can be really valuable. Number 3 is PCT patents. What the heck is a PCT patent? It's a patent that covers more than one country. So when you're doing patents, you've got choices. You can choose to file a patent in each and every country that you want. Remember, there's somewhere around 160 countries, so you may want to be a little bit selective, but you can do it country by country by country. However, there are some treaties out there where countries have come together and said you could file one patent and have it cover all these countries. A much better way to go. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and it avoids the necessity of translating your patent into the local languages of those countries. So it can be really key. And patents are important. Why? Because A, they keep your competition from competing with you and using your technology or your product. But more importantly, in the short term for you as a founder, is having a portfolio of patents will boost the value of your company before you've even sold your first product. So patents impact valuation. As an entrepreneur, you care a lot about valuation, so you care a lot about patents. Pay attention to your intellectual property and don't get screwed.